Which Oris watch is actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the real answers. Today, let's break down the top 5 must-have Oris watches for men that truly stand out. Product number 1: Golden Hour Chronograph. First up is the Golden Hour Fashion Business Men's Watch. At just $42.99, this watch caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive features. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish watch that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The Japanese quartz movement means you get precise timekeeping, which is essential for those busy days. Plus, the stainless steel strap feels comfortable on your wrist, making it suitable for various occasions. The multifunctional subdials are particularly useful for tracking time during activities. With a waterproof rating of 30 meters, it can handle daily splashes but isn't meant for swimming. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're often in and out of meetings or casual outings, this watch can keep up without sacrificing style. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a more subtle timepiece, this one might feel a bit too prominent. But if you want a watch that makes a statement while being functional, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable yet stylish watch for everyday wear. Skip this one if you're looking for a dress watch or something ultra lightweight. For the price, you're getting a great value. Now, if the size of the Golden Hour Chronograph bothered you, the next one on my list is a sleek alternative that balances style and comfort perfectly. Product number 2: MF Mini Focus Sport Watch. Next up is the MF Mini Focus Men's Watch, priced at $39.99. What grabbed my attention here is its unique combination of sportiness and casual wear. If you need something that transitions from the gym to a dinner date, this could be the one you're looking for. This watch features a 6-hand multifunction quartz movement, which means it can track time down to 1/10 seconds. Imagine needing to time a workout or a cooking session, this watch has you covered. It's also rated at 30 meters water resistance, making it suitable for accidental splashes but not swimming. Honestly, the luminous hands are a nice touch for reading the time in low light. Here's why this matters for you. If you enjoy both indoor and outdoor activities, this watch can adapt to your lifestyle without any hassle. However, some users have mentioned that the luminous feature can be a bit dim. Here's the thing though, if you mostly use your watch during the day, this isn't going to be a deal breaker for you. If you're someone who needs a bright display at all times, you might want to consider other options. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional watch for various activities. Skip this one if you need something with a bright display for night use. Overall, the value for what you get is impressive. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love diving or outdoor adventures. Product number 3: ADDISDIVE Dive Watch. Now let's talk about the ADDISDIVE 41mm Men's Dive Watch, retailing at $53.10. The first thing that struck me is its bold design and serious waterproof capabilities. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or someone who enjoys diving, this watch is a must-have. With a water resistance rating of 200 meters, this watch can handle deep dives without breaking a sweat. The luminescent hands and markers mean you can read the time even in murky waters. Plus, it features a unidirectional rotating bezel, making it practical for tracking dive times. Here's why this matters for you. If you like to spend time in the water, this watch not only looks good but is built to last through tough conditions. However, some users noted that it might be a bit bulky for everyday wear. Here's the thing, if you're primarily looking for a dive watch, that bulkiness is actually a sign of its durability and functionality. But if you want something lightweight for daily use, this might not fit the bill. This is perfect for you if you love diving or outdoor adventures. Skip this one if you're looking for an everyday office watch. For the price, the features are top-notch, especially for dive enthusiasts. Now, if the bulkiness of the ADDISDIVE bothered you, this next watch is designed for comfort and elegance while still being functional. Product number 4: PAGANI Design Automatic Watch. Next is the PAGANI Design Automatic Mechanical Watch, priced at $129.90. This watch caught my attention with its luxurious appearance and automatic movement. If you're after something that feels high-end without the excessive price tag, this is worth considering. The automatic movement means you never have to worry about winding it manually, making it ultra-convenient for daily wear. The sapphire glass adds a layer of durability, and the watch is rated at 10 bars for water resistance, so it can handle splashes and brief immersions. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a watch that combines luxury and practicality, this one checks all the boxes without making you compromise on style. Now, some reviewers pointed out that the watch can feel a bit heavy. Here's my take: if you're used to lighter models, this might take some getting used to. But for those who appreciate a solid, durable watch, the weight adds to its premium feel. This is perfect for you if you appreciate luxury features and automatic movement. Skip this one if you prefer lighter watches. For what you get, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a luxurious option. But the last one on our list combines classic style with everyday functionality. Product number 5, NIBOSI Military Watch. Finally, we have the NIBOSI Men's Analog Military Watch at an affordable $35.99. This watch stands out with its minimalist design and versatile nature. If you're looking for a classic watch that complements both casual and formal outfits, this could be your best choice. The silicone strap is comfortable and adjustable, making it suitable for long wear. Plus, its 3 ATM waterproof rating means it can handle everyday activities without any worry. Here's why this matters for you. If you're someone who values simplicity and functionality in a watch, this one delivers without any frills. However, some customers have mentioned that the silicone strap may not be as durable as metal options. Here's the thing: if you're okay with replacing the strap occasionally, it's not a major concern. But if you want a watch that lasts longer in terms of strap material, you might want to consider upgrading. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a classic, functional watch for daily wear. Skip this one if you prefer something more rugged with a metal strap. For the price, it's a solid deal. To wrap things up, we've explored the golden hour chronograph for stylish functionality, the MF Mini Focus for versatility, the ADDISDIVE for diving enthusiasts, the PAGA&I design for a touch of luxury, and the NIBOSI for minimalist simplicity. Each of these watches brings something unique to the table, ensuring there's an Oris for every man's wrist. To wrap things up, we've explored the golden hour for stylish functionality, the MF Mini Focus for versatility, the ADDISDIVE for diving enthusiasts, the PAGA&I design for luxury, and the NIBOSI for minimalist simplicity. Each of these watches offers something unique, so you can find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Happy watch hunting!